Hello and welcome to another video from Natasha. And continuing with my nail art basics, this week I'm showing you how to produce hand-painted chevrons. Every few weeks I'll be bringing you one of these videos to help all of you absolute beginners really fight your fears and start playing with some art. After painting your nails, and if you watch till the end, you'll see how I produce the look on the rest of the nails. I'm taking a piece of scotch tape, and I find scotch tape is normally the best, and I'm just cutting it up ready to use as a template on the nail. Place it directly onto your polish colour and press down. Push it down firmly to ensure that it sticks. Place a second piece on afterwards and make sure it's firmly pushed down to create a V shape at the cuticle end of the nail. This tape's good because it's very sticky but doesn't leave any residue when you peel it off at the end. Then, taking your preferred polish colour without too much polish on the brush, we're going to paint a nice diagonal line in line with the tape. Don't worry if you don't get it absolutely perfect, we can add detailing on afterwards with a fine detail brush. Apply an upside down V shape on each side of the nail. Keep going until you're happy with the thickness of the stripe, and like I said, if there's any wiggly lines, don't worry about it, we'll fix it after. Once you're happy, peel off the tape carefully, and you should be left with a nice straight line at the top. Throw away that tape because we're going to need a different tape for the rest of the nail. I'm then just getting the corner of the tape and applying it to the base of the nail, and then sticking down firmly. Try to get the points in line with the centre of the nail because it makes the chevron look tidier. If you want the tape to adhere carefully to the base of the nail because there's a curve, stick it together underneath to hold it in place. Then again, taking your gold polish, apply a nice V shape upside down and with equal thickness to the previous one. Once you're happy with that V shape, again remove that tape, and it should leave a nice neat V shape. Then taking a striping brush, and just to say that full links to all the products are in the description down below. And if you want to know how to use a striping brush, there's also a link in the top right corner which will show you how to successfully paint stripes with a striping brush. Then I'm just going to tidy up and create even chevrons by adding some extra detailing with my striping brush. And remember to clean up any mistakes on the skin with a brush dipped in nail polish remover or acetone. With my striping brush, I'm just going in to create a final little triangle at the base of the nail, and you can just tweak this one till you're happy with the shape. Once you're happy with the design, allow it to dry fully. And then it's time to apply your top coat, which gives me a chance to say to you guys, if any of you want to become a channel VIP, head on over to natashalee.vip, where you'll be able to sign up to get behind the scenes access, you can get rewards, and you can get access to ask me questions and join in with polls. In the meantime, once you've applied your top coat, allow it to dry. Once your top coat is dry, go in with your favourite cuticle oil, and here's the finished look. And it's really effective, and it's great because you can do it using stuff you have at home. And if you want to learn how to make your own nail art tools, there's a link in the top right corner, including how to make your own striping brushes. Now on to how to produce the rest of the nails. Start by applying your preferred base coat, and for this look I am using the Magpie gel colours, including Pretty Polly. Apply a layer of Pretty Polly nice and evenly to the nails and try and get as close to those cuticle areas and the eponychium as possible. Don't forget to cap the ends of the nail and then cure in your lamp. Then I'm going in with a no cleanse top coat and applying this to the nail before we're going to cure, but just to say this one is self-leveling. It does look like it's bumpy and gritty when you first apply it, but once you've applied it, if you leave it, and I've sped this up 4 times for you to see, it self-levels and goes crystal clear and smooth. Then you're going to cure it before taking a silicone tool and some shelli dust. This is like the unicorn powders. We're going to buff that straight into the top of that nail using the silicone tool. And this is the effect that we use to apply any of our sort of unicorn or fairy dusts. And if you want to make sure it's really smooth and glassy, then the more that you buff, the smoother the effect gets. When you're happy with the final look, apply some top coat to the nail. And this one has glitter in it because I always keep a separate top coat which I use for my glitters and my dusts. That way it doesn't affect when I want to use it on my regular colours. Now for that glitter finger, once you've applied your gel polish and cured it, it has a sticky inhibition layer. we are just going to pat our glitter into that sticky inhibition layer, and once you're happy with it, you're going to lightly brush over it to smooth it down. Now, all gel polishes normally have this sticky inhibition layer once you've cured your colour coat, but some are more sticky than others. Using a fan brush, I'm going to lightly brush over the nail to remove any of the excess glitter, before I'm then going to go in with my top coat again and apply it over the glitter and then cure. Depending on the top coat that you use, you may need to apply 2 coats over the glitter to make sure you get a lovely glassy shine rather than a textured finish. Then simply cure in your nail lamp and your look is finished, and you can achieve this look entirely using regular polishes. I do have videos that show you how to apply glitter and dust using normal nail polish too. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this video and you find it a help. I am doing quite a few in this series, so do be sure to check out the others on my channel for the nail art basics. And if you've enjoyed, please don't forget to subscribe and hit that thumbs up icon, and also hit the bell icon to get notified of every time I upload. Take care, and I'll see you all next week.